I went to an improv comedy workshop where the members of the improv team gave us pointers on, how to be more improvisational if we're, up on a stage and having to wing it. It was really interesting, and it was pretty funny.
Unlike magicians who never reveal their secrets, we love revealing our secrets. So we want to teach you guys the basics so you can start your improv journey.
You just go for it.
They just went for it, right? Okay,
good.
You are absolutely correct. They just went for it. Now, how do we distill that idea of just going for it, being spontaneous, no inhibitions, not judging yourself, just coming up with an idea and going for it? It's the first tenement of all improv, and the way we condense that is to a phrase called yes and. That is the root of all improv, is you say yes, and then the other players agree to your idea, and then they contribute another idea that makes sense to it, okay? So what yes does is yes gets us into action more than anything else, because what happens if we do that scene? Would you like to walk into the road? No. Okay. The end. Right? Now I go, would you like to walk into the road? Yes. I know. I live for this. Road walking.
I love to live on the edge.
Me too.
That Tercell's coming fast. Let's go.
Let's go. Interesting. Why are we walking towards a Tercel? Why? We're going to find out in this scene. But now things are happening.
This is really fun, and what happens in this is always laughter again, because with improv, it's the surprise, and that is always, we're all human beings. We all imagine us on stage. You are like feeling for these guys, because it's like, oh, I'd be so scared to get up there and do that. Public speaking is the biggest human fear we have. Standing up here and talking to you people, as most people are like, I could never do that. But you learn to do it, and overcoming that fear, it feels so great up here to do that, and because there's no mistakes, there's no wrong answers, and then you're all comfortable in the audience, but you want us to succeed, so you're on our side. I know you're on my side. You don't want me to fail, because you want a good show. So give them a round of applause.
Trifecta?
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so keeping you guys up here, we're going to expand this a little bit. Like I said, this isn't the 33-year course. This is the 45-minute course. So we are going to say yes. We're going to be spontaneous. We're not going to question. We're not going to judge our answers. But we also want to set everybody up for success. You know what I mean? We want to work together. We want to listen. And the best way to listen is to kind of acknowledge someone's offer. We call it an offer. Any statement, any character you bring in, if you set up with movement, something, the way you listen and honor that is that you acknowledge it to be true. You know what I mean? For example, the worst thing in the world would to be if Steph came into the scene as a character and was very clear about it. Like so. Anything. Hi, Lauren. Hello, my twin sister who's also 12.
Oh, jeez.
Horrible, right? She was clearly an older woman, right? Clearly an older woman, and what did I do? I thought my idea was better. I thought we should play twins in this scene, so I rejected her idea. I didn't listen, and I didn't add to it. I was just a selfish, no player, right? So with this game, thank you so much. With this game, Trifecta, we're practicing that muscle of bringing something in that makes sense and makes other people's ideas look really great, okay?
Obviously, we have an audience watching. For our participants, how are you feeling right now? A bit nervous? Are you having fun? Is it difficult, challenging? Any comments from our...
A little less scared.
Little less scared? That's good. That's a
Just think how...
You gotta think, yeah.
After 33 years.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So any comment? And what about yourself?
That's great.
Yeah, great? Okay. So I saw some... What we're trying to get here is, we all have ideas. So it goes my idea, my idea, my idea, my idea, my idea, my idea. We're trying to create our idea. So we're accepting these offers and we're celebrating it together. So Lauren mentioned that before, right? We're all coming with ideas, and there's that hesitation. Sometimes it's we as performers, I call it we observe and we try not to judge, right? So even when we were watching guys, we're observing and we're coaches, and we've been through this before as students. ourselves. So a lot of times it takes a lot of vulnerability and courage to get up on stage, and we want to be open. So sometimes when we close ourselves off or we're judging our ideas, when we can let that go, then the fear gets lost, right? And when the fear gets lost and we can gain trust with our fellow performers and trust with the audience, that's what creates the laughter and the entertainment that we do, right?
Group mind. This is a great game. So really good improv always has really good characters, which requires choices and awareness of how our bodies are, how our faces are, how we speak, how we move. Someone who moves like this is going to be different than someone that moves like this. But a good exercise that I love to do, it's this face exercise. So maybe I'll kind of angle it towards you first, because you're going to participate in this. Is we'll get you to come up and we're going to get you to move your face around as much as you can, and then I'm going to say stop, and then that's where your face is. So this, where my face is going to influence my character. So it just helps that maybe the character talks like this, and maybe they're 15 years old, and maybe they're a genius for a 15-year-old, and that just gets you out of your own head and gets you into your body. So you're going to move your face, and your face is going to influence your character that you're becoming. Does that make sense? So you don't have to keep your face in the position, but it's just going to influence you a little bit. So we don't want you to overthink it, but you can just make some subtle changes to how you move and how you hold your body. Does that make sense?
Yes.
You all want to try that?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so Lauren, move your face around and stop.
Well, I naturally have a frown, so I think I'm a very sad person. And I tend to think that sad people always have something that was taken from them, and for whatever reason, my crossword puzzles are coming to mind. So my crossword puzzles were taken from me. My name is Beth, and I will be speaking to your manager or editor of your local paper to bring back the crossword puzzles.
Perfect. Great. That makes sense. Okay, great. Would you like to try it?
Okay, we'll do it.
Awesome. Okay, so move your face around any which way you want. And then
Make it
we'll
big, make
stop.
it small.
Make it big and small.
Open your mouth.
If you're gonna sneeze.
See your face. Okay, stop.
I'm Woody, and I'm sorry about this, everyone, but I think I'm gonna have a nosebleed. Is it coming out? Is it?
Yes, it is.
Oh my God! I'm sorry. I'm so embarrassed.
Tissue for you. Here.
Thank you.
Got it.
Thank you. Which should I do? It's just coming out. Where is it coming out?
Both. Solid both.
Oh,
Plug them both, Woody.
Good job.
All right, got it.
Go.
Sure.
Breathe.
This guy feels intense like he's a old football coach where it's like, listen, we're gonna get out there, we're gonna play the best game we've ever played before. He's got some stiffness over here, I'm feeling, and it's making me want to be high status. So walking around like this. If we don't get out there and win this game, we're gonna disappoint Princess Cruise Lines. Do we want to do that?
No.
I said, do we want to do that?
No.
Yeah, you're damn right. Again, just commenting on that, much like you did. As soon as you stiffen your body, you thought nosebleed, protecting that. As soon as I felt this, as soon as Lauren felt that, Stephanie's example, it just, we pick a choice, we commit to it. We don't think about it, we just commit.
Okay, move your face.
Move your face.
Big and small. There you go.
Stop. Oh.
First lips.